In this video, we'll cover the basic troubleshooting steps for your Cinema 3D headphones. First, we'll learn how to turn off the touch control panel of the Cinema 3D if you prefer to use only the tactile buttons. To disable it, press and hold the ANC button for 5 seconds. Press and hold it for 5 seconds again to turn the touch panel back on. Next, we'll learn how to reset your Cinema 3D for troubleshooting. To reset your Cinema 3D, press and hold the power and Cinema ear buttons together for 3 seconds. This will erase all previous Bluetooth pairings and reset all settings back to their defaults. You'll need to pair the headphones with your device before using them. After a factory reset, the Cinema 3D automatically enters Bluetooth pairing mode, indicated by a blinking red and blue light. If you do not see a blinking red and blue light, hold the volume up and volume down buttons together for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode manually. Once the Cinema 3D is in pairing mode, open the Bluetooth menu of your TV or other device and select MEE Audio Cinema 3D. If your headphones were previously paired with the same device, you may need to unpair or delete them from your Bluetooth list before pairing them again. If you're using the Cinema 3D headphones with the MEE Audio Connect transmitter, reset the transmitter by powering it on and holding the A button for 10 seconds until the blue light stops flashing. Then, put the Connect into pairing mode by pressing the A button again. A blinking blue light will indicate that the Connect is ready to pair. Both devices must be in pairing mode at the same time. Once paired, the blinking blue light on the Connect transmitter will turn solid blue. That's all you need to get started. For a deeper dive into the features of the Cinema 3D, check the user manual, explore our other videos, or visit our website. Thanks for watching!